Good evening. This is day 11 in our evening meditation on the Hildegard von Bingen program. So, as per usual, whenever you're ready, just close your eyes and allow yourself to become present. Allow your breath to guide you. On each out breath, just simply allow yourself to let go of the day. Release whatever happened today. All the thoughts, the feelings, whether they were positive or not. All the challenges and the fun moments. Just release them all into the nothingness. Let them go. And on the in-breath, simply turn your attention inward and upward. Simply allow your consciousness to start turning upward, looking into oneness, and feel the desire to connect. And as you turn upward, you notice the source of all light, a bright spot in the highest point. It is the brightest light you've ever seen. The heart of all loving, all goodness, all peace, everything that is good. And you notice that a bright light, white and golden, comes down and pours down on you, embracing you. And you feel the warmth, the kindness, the gentleness, the peace that comes with it. You allow yourself to be held. You are embraced by God, the source of all loving, the presence. And then you open your heart and mind to the wonderful words of Hildegard. My day is ending. Spend a moment welcoming the dark. Make friends with the silence of the night. See yourself in a single figure that emerges in the darkness. Look at your face. Imagine anger so twisting your features that is nearly impossible to recognize yourself. Or is it? Imagine lines of hatred so deep that they seem forever carved there. Now surrender to your need for God's mercy. Let God reshape the features of your life. Feel the joy. Choose joy. Allow God to redeem you, to lift you. Night prayer. How precious to me is your steadfast love, O God. I take refuge in the shadow of your wings and feast on the abundance of your table. I depend on the river of your gift, for with you is the fountain of life. Only in your light do I see light. Amen. Thank you for meditating and praying with me tonight. Have a good night. Be blessed. Stay blessed. Baruch Bashem.